So today we are going to understand something about probability. A study of a study of probability is nothing but where you study about whether the certain event is going to occur or not. When you study such kind of things where the certain event is going to occur or not, you are basically understanding we are basically understanding, or you're basically finding out whether what are the chances of happening a certain event. So if I say that well, the sun, what is the chances that sun will rise tomorrow? Sun will rise tomorrow. So you'll say 100%. ये क्या बात हुई? Exactly. And sun will not rise tomorrow. इसके कितने चांसेस है? Well, 0% चांसेस है. So this kind of study, this is very basic study in which we have found out कि sun का rise होने का chances क्या है कल, unless until it's really a end of the world, but it is less likely possible. Hence ये मेरे को पता चल गया कि 100% possibility है कल sun का आने का और 0% chances है कल sun का नहीं आने का. So this kind of study in terms of mathematical language, in terms of number, is nothing but probability. Probability tells us about something which probability tells us about that we are calculating or we are finding out what are the chances. So whenever I say I am calculating the probability, I am basically finding out the chances of happening certain event or not. This is what probability is, and if you will be stunned or you will be shocked by realizing that the probability, the field, the probability, this concept has been came from yes, I am writing the right word, gambling के थ्रू ये probability, ये theory बनी थी. Well, there was a gambler once, वो एक mathematician के पास में गया. He asked a mathematician that well, I will be playing a blackjack game, and I want you to do some mathematical calculation and tell me what are my chances of winning the game. So वो mathematician ने क्या किया? He did his he did focused on his concept, basically his talk, and what he did, he used some mathematical numbers, he used some mathematical terms, he used the cards, and he found out some new theory in his book. And further, when more scientists, when more mathematicians worked on that theory, they came to realize that they have created a whole new branch of maths, and that branch of maths is nothing but, not basically branch, the field, a part of maths is nothing but study of chances. If I have to write it, I'll just write over here. So what they have found out, they have study of chances. And when they always talk about study of chances, they gave it a proper name, which name is in front of you, that is probability. So probability is nothing but a calculation of happening an event or not. So मैं अगर कभी तुमको बोलूँ कि भाई क्या probability में तुम क्या पढ़ रहे हो, तो तुम बोलोगे कि भाई probability में हम कोई भी event की occurrence होने की बात करते हैं. So we are talking in terms of a number. मतलब मैं अगर तुमको बोलूंगा कि भाई बारिश के मौसम में बारिश होने की चांसेस कितनी है, तुम बाहर देखोगे, तुम बोलोगे कि देखो अभी क्लाउडी वेदर है, सो द चांसेस ऑफ रेनिंग इज वेरी हाई एज कंपेयर टू नॉट रेन, एज कंपेयर टू द सनी डे. तुम जाओगे लेट्स से समर में और तुम जाके देखोगे बाहर यार बारिश होने की क्या चांसेस है, तो तुम बोलोगे कि लेस लाइकली चांसेस है. सो ये जो तुम शब्दों में बोल रहे हो, इसको अगर अपन नंबर्स में पुटअप कर दे तो ये हो जाएगी अपनी mathematical terms, mathematical related terms. And whenever you put something in numbers, whenever you try to interpret something in numbers, is nothing but we are doing mathematics over there. We are doing math. And if you want to understand more properly, the probability was first the part of mathematics. But later on, you will be, I don't know, whether you will be shocked or what, but later on it was recognized, or it was realized that mathematics, probability was really not the part of mathematics, it was the part of statistics, whatever the spelling is. We are not into the spellings and all. Well, it was the part of statistics. So yeah, from like I would rather say, or 18th or 19th century से, 18th or 19th century, I do not know the exact period, I do not remember the exact period right now, but तब से probability ये mathematics के field में नहीं, but statistics के field में fall होने लगा था. And so probability is nothing but talking about chances. Let's just take an example so that you will understand what I am talking about, and ये session को अपन conclude करेंगे फिर. Let's just have a coin. Okay, so here is my coin. ये 1 rupee का मेरा coin है, या whatever the rupee is, I do not know. Let's just take it as a coin. Okay. So this is a, let's say, a coin. Now a coin has two faces. We all know that. ये upper part को we will, let's say, call it as a head, whereas the lower part is known as tail. Okay, head. Now let's say ये coin का weight एकदम proper है. It is well balanced coin. ये एकदम perfectly बना हुआ सर्कल में कॉइन है, वॉट एवर द सर्कल और ओवल इट इज, वॉट एवर द शेप इज, एग्जैक्टली सर्कल में है. लेट्स जस्ट कंसिडर एग्जैक्टली उसका वेट भी अप्रोप्रिएट है. और जब तुम उस कॉइन को टॉस करोगे हवे में, और जब वो कॉइन प्रॉपरली नीचे गिरेगा, तो आई वॉन्ट टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी. जब वो मैंने कॉइन को टॉस किया, लेट्स से मैंने हेड कॉल किया, ओके, मैंने हेड कॉल किया. नाउ आई नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड, नाउ आई नीड टू फाइंड आउट कि व्हाट आर द चांसेस दैट ये जब कॉइन टॉस होगा तो हेड गिरेंगे. लेट्स से हेड गिरने के चांसेस कितने हैं. सो इन शॉर्ट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट probability of getting head. So in short, if I have to write it in words, so what I am finding out is probability of getting head. And since it is too lengthy to write in such a way always, so इसको short में भी लिखा जाता है. They always consider they have created a shortcut for us, like capital P denotes the probability, and in this parenthesis whatever you write, you are finding out the probability of that particular thing. So let's say if you write capital H, then in short you are finding out the probability of getting head. And when you find out the probability of getting head, how do you find out the probability of getting head? Is like you first consider the number of total आउटकम. सो लाइक कितना आउटकम मिल सकता है मेरे को मैं जब कॉइन टॉस करूंगा. लेट्स से मैंने कॉइन टॉस किया तो एक बार हेड गिर सकता है, या तो फिर मैंने कॉइन टॉस किया तो हेड गिर सकता है, या तो टेल गिर सकता है. सो देयर इज ओनली टू आउटकम्स. देयर इज ओनली टू आउटकम. सो आई विल जस्ट राइट डाउन हियर ओनली. सो देयर इज ओनली टू आउटकम्स. एंड हेड आने के चांसेस कितने हैं? सो मैंने लेट्स से टॉस किया तो मेरा हेड आ सकता है, या तो फिर टेल आ सकता है. सो एक ही चांस है. सो लाइक नंबर ऑफ, यू कैन से व्हाट डू यू से, नंबर ऑफ चांस टू मीट आवर कंडीशन. एंड व्हाट इज दैट नंबर ऑफ चांस? क्या चांस है? एक तो हेड आ सकता है या तो टेल आ सकता है. दैट इज 1. सो बेसिकली my probability of getting head is nothing but 1/2. And how did I found out that? मैंने कैसे फाइंड आउट किया? वेल, फॉर स्टार्टर्स देयर इज टू पॉसिबिलिटी. दो आउटकम है मेरे पास में. आइदर व्हेन आई टॉस, तो एक तो हेड गिरेगा या तो टेल गिरेगा, अज्यूमिंग कि कॉइन ऐसे खड़ा नहीं गिर रहा है, वो फ्लैट ग्राउंड पे गिर रहा है. सो एक कोई ना कोई एक फेस उसका ऊपर के साइड में रहेगा, और जो फेस ऊपर के साइड में रहेगा, वी आर कंसर्न विद दैट. जैसे कि ये फेस ऊपर के साइड में था, यहाँ पे ये फेस ऊपर के साइड में था. सो लाइक यहाँ पे हेड और यहाँ पे सेकंड इसमें टेल आया है. फर्स्ट में हेड, सेकंड में टेल आया. I am calculating the probability of getting head. So how do you find out the probability of getting head? Well, I had the number of outcomes too, और उसमें से मेरे कंडीशन को मीट करने के चांसेस कितने थे? एक ही चांस था मेरी कंडीशन को मीट करने का, and thus the probability of getting head is 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 can be written as well, we all know 1 by 2 is nothing but 50. I can say like 0.50, and 0.50 can be written in terms of percentage also, that is 50%, and you can see that there is 50-50 chance of getting head and tail just because there are two outcomes, and out of which any one of them will meet my condition, and that is what probability is. Probability is nothing but finding out the chances of happening that event. So chance of happening or chance of getting a head is 50%, exactly 50%, that is 1 by 2. That is 1 by 2, and that is what probability is. In furthermore sessions we will more discuss about what probability is. So this was the basic introductory session which we have considered what probability is. Probability is nothing but the chances. Probability is nothing but chances. We find out what are the chances. अपने chances क्या है इस गेम में टिके रहने के, अपने chances क्या है head या tail आने के. If we are considering tail, अगर मैं tail consider करता हूँ तो then if I am considering the tail, the probability of getting the tail, the probability of getting tail is again equal to, since मेरा total number of outcome is again 2 and chance of meeting my condition is only 1 again, so here we go, the probability of tail is again 1 by 2, and it has to be 1 by 2, which is going to get exactly 50%, because head आने के 50% chances है तो tail आने के भी 50% chances ही होंगे, and that is what probability is. So in next session we will come up with more examples so that you get a clear idea and clear picture of what probability is and how do we solve probability. And here, you know what, you understood the formula of probability. This is the formula of probability, but we do not go with formula, we go with the real incidents and we calculate on that basis only. So we'll just understand more about probability in next session. Thank you for listening. That's it from me, guys.